Okay, so hi doctor, today I will explain my answer. So for the first question is, I think is people problem. Project Ocean failed because of people and organization problem, not technical issue. Although technical issue like system complexity and Oracle inexperience were mentioned, but the bigger problem was poor management. The project suffered from frequent leadership change, which caused the confusion and stopped the team from setting the goals. Each time a new manager took over plans and priority shift, it will lead to delays and disorganization. Another major issue was misaligned responsibility. The water department, which would actually use the system, had little control over the project. Instead, the finance department led the effort even though it had less to lose if things went wrong. The key department and user like customer service were also left out of the decision making. This lack of inclusion and communication created the weak governance and turned the project into a political struggle rather than a team effort. So in the end, it wasn't technical failure but poor planning, leadership turnover, and lack of collaboration that brought the project Ocean down. So the poor communication and unclear leadership, because the contractor and city staff cash processes were undefined, no one clear on the project, leading to delays and confusion. So in the end, the lack of coordination, not just technical issue, caused the collapse. So for the question 2 is what factor contribute to the problem associated with Project Ocean. So the Project Ocean faced serious problem due to a technical, management, and political issue. So the first is the city underestimated how hard it will be to replace its outdated 30-year-old billing system with a modern one. Oracle system need a lot of change to fill the system complex billing rules, which cause delay and cost overrun. So on the management side, the poor leadership and high turnover made things worse. The water department, which should have led the project, was left out and ownership was unclear, and the several key leaders including the finance director and CIO left during the project, causing the constant change in direction. So because of this, the requirements were unclear and conflict between the city and Oracle contractor. So for the negotiating stand of MOIS vs Oracle is when negotiating the Project Ocean contract, the MOIS and Oracle have very different goals. So for the MOIS, he want to protect the city investment, deliver a working billing system, and control the cost. To do this, they push for adding off-the-shelf software and expected Oracle to cover the extra cost. So MOIS took a firm stance, even threatening legal action if Oracle don't want to agree. On the other hand, the Oracle defend its work by claiming it had followed the contract and was not at fault, while Oracle agreed to waive 6.9 million in fees and admitted not wrongdoing. The Oracle want to treat the change as a simple contract update, not a failure. So in short, the MOIS want the result and accountability, while Oracle focus on limiting its responsibility and rules. So for the last question is the Project Ocean was eventually saved, but only after major change and compromises. The city added the basis to a proven billing system to replace the Oracle custom code. A new multi-agency team took over the project and Oracle agreed to waive 6.9 million in the cost. The total spending cap was set at 90 million. So the agreement showed that the project should be salvaged with a new plan, better oversight, and fewer custom solutions. So for future success, any new agreement should include a test of the shelf system, clear roles, and strong governance, and performance-based contract with penalty or rewards. So if a new agreement haven't been reached, the project would likely to have ended in a win-loss situation, the city losing money and Oracle losing the contract. Instead, both sides compromised. The city got a workable path forward and Oracle avoided full ban but gave up control. So the result wasn't a full win for either, but it prevented total collapse and allowed the project to move forward. So for the further answer, you can see my answer document in UNY. Thank you.